In this video, I'm going to show you how to become an appointment setter in 2025. My name is Brendan Zadow-Hogan, and I made $2,000 in a single week just from sending some messages from my phone, all while living on an island in Thailand, and I helped dozens of people who had no prior experience to do the exact same thing and to make their first $10,000 online. And by the end of this video, you'll have the step-by-step roadmap that I used to land my first appointment setting role, which took me from being stuck in the military to now being able to live and work from anywhere in the world. So if you're tired of clocking into a job you hate, working for someone else with no control over your time or your income, then I'm going to break down in 4 simple steps that anyone with a phone, laptop, and a work ethic can follow to get started today. Starting with the opportunity. What even is appointment setting? As an appointment setter, all you do is become part of an already successful business in the high-ticket space, and you then manage the inbox of that business owner's account in order to book in appointments for their sales team. People will reach out to the business owner, meaning the leads will come to you in order to learn more about your product or service, and your job is to identify who is serious and book them onto a calendar. You're not chasing people, you're filtering them, and from here, your job is done. Each time a new deal closes, you'll collect commission, normally ranging between 5 to 10%, all from just sending some messages and talking to people. The only thing you need to get started with this is a phone, internet connection, and the right training. Now let's talk about step 2, the digital gold rush. The online coaching and education industry are exploding, and by 2030, they're expected to be worth over $400 billion. Now, how do you get rich from this? Back during the gold rush, who became the richest? It wasn't the people mining for the gold, it wasn't the people buying the gold, but it was the people selling the shovels, placing themselves as the middleman. And this is your opportunity to take advantage of the modern day digital gold rush. By placing yourself as the middleman, meaning you can get started with making money today at no upfront cost to you, no risk to begin. You don't need to start any massive business or even spend any money on ads, because these business owners are way too busy and need to delegate tasks so then they can focus their time on things that actually move the needle forward every day. Things like creating content or fulfillment for their clients, getting results. That's why they need people like me and you to bridge that gap for them. Which brings us to step 3, and that is the difference. Now, this is why others fail, but you will succeed. Now, you see, most people think that they need to start some massive business in order to start making money online, and that is not the case. You just need to learn a skill that solves a problem, because these business owners have leads. There's no shortage of that. What there is a shortage of is time. So if you can be the one that saves them time and makes them money, you become valuable in any company, in any industry, in any niche. So where do people go wrong? They send mass cold DMs without any process, without any thought, without any personalization, essentially just spamming the inbox of people that they would potentially like to be working with. They go after and apply for sketchy job posts on websites like Upwork or Facebook groups, and they try to figure the entire thing out all by themselves without learning from someone who has already done it before. The real way to win in this industry, much like most others, is with targeted outreach, proven frameworks, and positioning yourself as a trusted advisor, not as a desperate applicant. Now let's talk about step 4, the roadmap. When I first heard about appointment setting, I thought it was just another online scam or marketing trick, until I started meeting people in real life who were making $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 consistently every single month while managing entire sales systems from their phone, and I wanted in. So I learned the basics, I practiced proven frameworks, I reached out to creators the right way until I finally landed my first role. And that's when everything changed. It wasn't easy, it took time. And what I do differently is I would skip the spam, I'd focus on value-driven outreach, and I'd join the right community so I don't waste my time with bad offers and trying to figure out everything on my own. Here's what really matters if you want to see success: creating a daily routine, time blocking your calendar, spending at least 4 focused hours every single day, sending messages, reviewing your pipeline, following up with leads, tracking, for example, who responded, how many calls you booked, the show up rate, because you cannot improve what you do not track. And finally, direct mentorship and feedback. Review calls, participate in role plays, be coachable from the business owner who hires you, because they will already have a proven process that works. All you'll need to do is be coachable, listen to directions, and follow it step by step. It's very simple. Be okay with getting roasted and be okay with getting better, and take accountability. If you follow these steps, then you can expect to be making at least $4,000 to $7,000 extra every single month within 75 to 90 days. And from there, you can decide whether or not to leverage that skill you've learned into a better offer as an appointment setter, making upwards of $10,000 per month, or maybe you want to break past that $10,000 per month mark and you make that jump into high ticket closing or starting your own business. You do not need to be the best. You just need to be consistent, because the money doesn't go to whoever is the smartest or whoever is the loudest. It goes to the person who executes every single day. Most people just dabble and dip their toes in, for lack of a better expression, but you are not most people. If you simply stick to the process, you will win. Now, if you want to fast track this entire process and skip the trial and error, then I just put together a free training and roadmap that you can follow that shows you exactly how to get started today. Just message me on Instagram saying you came from this video and I'll send it over to you for free. Or click the link below, schedule a call with me, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Imagine waking up, no alarm, your calendar had 3 prospects book in overnight, each worth $300, all waiting for you before you even get out of bed. You get up, make your coffee, follow up, work a few focus hours, and by noon, you book 4 appointments and make more money in a single day than you used to make in an entire week. You control your time, you control your income, you control where you live, and you control your future. All because you learned one single skill. This type of life isn't reserved for the rich or the lucky few. It's reserved for anyone who's willing to take action and follow a proven process. That's all for now. Speak soon, homie.